that you're using your phone in a non-hands-free capacity.
So are you telling me that I was not using my headset? That you saw me using my phone?
I never said that.
Then what did you see?
That you were using your phone in a non-hands-free capacity.
How exactly what is a non-hands-free capacity? So
That's
you can't touch your phone in any way, shape, or form while you're driving, even if you have a headset on. Is that what you're saying?
This cop gets absolutely destroyed by a female law teacher, and just wait for the moment he tries to explain the term violation. He completely loses track of his own words and contradicts himself. The stop begins in broad daylight, with the officer holding his pen and paper, thinking he will explain the charge and move on to the next stop, but it completely backfires. The first question the driver asks is a simple one. What exactly did I do wrong? The officer answers, but not clearly. He says it was a phone violation. As he talks, his shoulders lift in a small shrug, then drop. He repeats himself, using the same phrase, without explaining it. The woman in the driver's seat listens closely. She knows the law. She doesn't interrupt or raise her voice. She lets him speak, then repeats the same question again. What exactly did I do wrong? She presses for specifics. The officer pauses, another shrug. He says she was using her phone in a non-hands-free capacity. When she asks what that means, his answer starts to shift. At first, it sounds like touching a phone at all might be illegal. Then it sounds like it depends on the situation. The woman points out the inconsistency, exposing the validity of the stop. But the moment the officer starts explaining the violation, he becomes so confused. He doesn't even seem to know what he was enforcing. Watch the full video and see for yourself.
That you observed.
That you're using your phone in a non-hands-free capacity.
So are you telling me that I was not using my headset? That you saw me using my phone?
I never said that.
Then what did you see?
That you were using your phone in a non-hands-free capacity.
How exactly what is a non-hands-free capacity?
It can't be in your hands while you're operating your motor vehicle.
I hit the button to turn it off.
Okay.
So you're saying that's a violation?
Yes, if it's in your hands while you're operating your motor vehicle.
So you can't touch your phone in any way, shape, or form while you're driving, even if you have a headset on. Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm saying in particular in this violation.
So only in this particular incident can I not touch my phone in any way, shape, or form?
No. What I'm saying is I observe the violation.
What exactly is the violation?
That you use your phone in a non-hands-free
So
capacity.
please explain to me what is...
That's okay.
No, I want to know. You're giving me a ticket for this, so explain to me what the violation is. Because what you just said is that I can't touch my phone in any way, shape, or form while I'm driving. Is that true? Is that a law?
Yeah. I need you to sign the citation.
I'm not signing it.
Okay, that's fine. I'm still going to explain it to you. Okay. Your signature right here isn't admitting guilt. It's your promise that you're going to contact the court at a later time within 60 days. I'm going to send you a courtesy notice to your address. However, it's only a courtesy. If it doesn't come in the mail, if it gets lost, you still have an obligation to either contact the court in person or at the phone number at the bottom within the 60 days.
Okay, you still haven't explained to me what the violation is.
Let me finish. This is important. You admitting to signing the citation isn't admitting guilt. It's just saying that you're going to contact the court at a later date within that 60 days. If you choose not to, then you're telling me that you want to see a magistrate as soon as possible. In the state of California, unfortunately, that means that I have to take you into custody, and the soonest time that you'd see the magistrate is tomorrow.
So you're going to arrest me for talking on the phone with my headset on, but touching my phone.
No.
If I don't sign it.
To sign the citation.
If I don't sign the citation,
right,
then I'll be arrested.
I have no other option.
Okay, so I'll sign it, and you tell me again exactly what my violation is. What did you see me do?
Hang on. Your vehicle code violation is 23-123, subsection A.
I can read that. I want to know what exactly you saw me doing.
And I've repeated that multiple times.
No, you just said I was in a violation, but you're not explaining what
Correct.
the violation is.
Yeah.
What's the violation?
If you want to contest it in court, you have that option to contest it.
I want to know. I want you to tell me what it is you saw me doing. What did you see me do?
You're operating your phone
in what form?
Non-hands-free
So what?
capacity.
Okay, what is the non-hands-free capacity that you saw?
That's it. It was just in a non-hands-free capacity.
Okay, but now I asked you, is it a non-hands-free capacity if I touch my phone in any way, shape, or form?
No, that's an open-ended question. Of course you could touch your phone in all sorts of different ways.
So that's what I did. I touched my phone. It is very clear I had the headset on. So I was not talking on my phone in a non-hands-free way. I simply touched my phone to turn it off and set it down after I turned it off.
Okay.
Now, are you telling me that that is in violation?
I'm telling you that what I observed was a violation.
Is that what you observed? Me touching the phone to turn it off?
No, I can't say that you were touching your phone for whatever reason. I'm not you.
Did you see my headset in?
I need your signature right here now.
Did you see my headset in?
No, I need your signature.
Did you see my headset in?
The recording cuts off right there before any further explanation or resolution. One thing is clear, the officer never provides a clear description of what he observed or how the law was violated. The woman's understanding of the statute exposes the weakness of the stop, and the lack of clarity speaks for itself. This is what happens when you finish your early morning hike and cops show up. The man has just finished a 10-kilometer hike. He's tired. He gets back to his car, sits down, and rests. The hike took a lot out of him, so he leans back and closes his eyes for a bit. At some point, he falls asleep. Then he wakes up to this. There are police right next to his car. Still groggy and still waking up, he is suddenly being told he's parked where he shouldn't be. The officer starts talking about a mess around the vehicle and points to food on the ground nearby. The man has just woken up from sleep and finds it difficult to understand what is happening. He's confused. He's just woken up in his car after a long hike. As he speaks a bit slowly, he starts filming for transparency, and that is what triggers the officer. The officer says he is not behaving properly, starts questioning him, and quickly shifts to asking if he has been drinking. And before he could say anything, the officer ordered him to get out of the car. Watch for yourself and see how this escalates from here. Share your opinion in the comments.
Here and you parked where you're not meant to be.
I'm just filming so there's transparency from...
Okay, wind your window down.
No, I'm not going to put my keys in my ignition.
What's that, sorry?
I'm not going to wind my window down.
Have you been drinking, have you, mate?
No, I haven't been drinking.
Well, you're going to have to move your car because you parked in a place that you're not allowed to park. And you're making a mess here.
I'm making a mess here.
Yeah, mate, you got your noodles and stuff on both sides of the car.
It's not my noodles.
Pardon?
Not my noodles.
Well, they are. They're in front of your wheel and there's some on the other side too.
Alright, that'll
Is that this?
hold up and... So what do you want me to do?
I want you to move your vehicle because you're parked illegally. Can you do that or not?
Oh no.
Pardon?
Huh?
Are you alright?
Are you alright?
Why are you getting cheeky? I'm asking you if you're alright.
I have to talk to you. I'm moving my car, it's fine.
Well, you want to pick up your leftover noodles because you'll just run over the top of them, mate.
I don't know what noodles you're talking
Noodles
about.
here and noodles on the other side.
Hold this. Otherwise it'll be like...
Hey, pick up your rubbish and then move your vehicle.
Pick up my rubbish?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Grabbing my key. What are you doing grabbing my key, mate?
Grab me. What are you
filming?
doing?
Are you filming this? You just slapped me in the face.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing?
Grabbing me, squeezing my arm.
What are you talking about? You just reached into my car and then smacked me in the head. It's fine, I'll take this to court. It's fine, I'll take this to court, mate.
Have you been drinking?
No, I haven't been drinking. I've been sitting here.
Well, why are you acting like you have been?
I just woke up. You just woke me up. You just woke me up and then you just smacked me in the face. It's fine. I'm already in court.
Grabbed my arm.
No, I didn't. I'm already in court with you guys. You tried to reach in my car and grab my key.
Yeah, because I think you've been drinking, so I'm going to...
Because you think I've been drinking?
Yeah, 100%.
100%. Mate, you're gonna lose your job. Fucking tyrant. You know, mate.
You grabbed my arm.
Grab your arm. What are you talking about? You're already backpedaling because you know you're You can't slap me in the face for no reason.
Under your door.
Under your door for what? Why are you reaching into my car?
Because we're
Why are
going to
you
do a
reaching
breath
into my
test,
car?
mate. Give me your keys.
Why?
Give me your keys.
So he's taking my key for no reason.
No, I want you to turn your alarm off. There you go.
Why did you touch my door?
When I've seen you because of Scott Beach Police.
What is this
Have
on?
you been drinking?
Has this been on? Is your body camera on?
See that little record thing there?
I'll ask you a question. So it's been on.
Have you been drinking tonight?
I'll ask for this in court.
Have you been drinking tonight?
No, I haven't been drinking tonight. What's your probable cause for me drinking?
Because your indicia tells me that you may have been drinking.
But what? Can you just
or
find
being
that
under
word?
or you're under the influence of
Of
something.
what? Because I came here and I was sleeping.
No, you're acting
And what are you
like
talking about?
you're-
This isn't a traffic stop. I'm sitting in my car. The car is not on.
Yeah, but you're in charge.
I'm in charge.
Yep.
What's that mean?
You're in control of the vehicle. You're in the driver's seat with your seatbelt on, keys in the vehicle.
I just put it on
You're
before
in
because you
charge of
asked
the
me to
vehicle.
move it. I just put it on because you asked me to move it, which is
So
on your body camera as
have
well.
you been drinking, Phil?
Pal, I haven't been drinking, pal, but you're pal. You idiot. You slapped me in the face.
Yeah, because you grabbed
I'm
my
on
arm and
camera.
pulled it over the window.
Yeah, sure, mate. Sure. You reach into my car and I grab your arm, pull it in the
Yeah,
car.
to stop you from driving off, because I believe you've been
From
drinking.
driving off?
Yeah.
Oh, you're lying and lies. He grabbed my arm.
Okay.
Slapped me across the face. Hit me with a closed fist. Because I'm in charge.
The seatbelts, you've seatbelts on, keys need.
As I said, you
Okay.
you made
I'm
me
going
put
to
my
stop you from
seatbelt on
moving.
before.
Yeah.
You said to
I've got to
move my
stop you
car.
from moving. You've grabbed my arm. All right.
Oh, there you go, mate. That'll really hold up in court, mate.
Okay.
Yeah, good one. You
right.
DPP people are going to be, oh, what are they? They're up again.
Fantastic, mate.
Yeah,
All right.
fantastic. You're an idiot. Absolute idiot. So, are you going to detain me if I don't submit to your breathalyzer
No,
and
mate,
give
I'll
you a
just arrest
sample of
you.
alcohol? Yeah, that's my question. So, you're going to arrest me if not?
Yes, mate. Yep.
Alright, then I'll do it. That's fine.
Okay, mate. Require a specimen of your breath for a breath test, okay? To comply with my requirement, direct you to place your mouth over the mouthpiece of the device. That's that end there. Alright? Play directly and continuously through that device until told to stop by me. Do you understand?
I don't understand.
Do you need me to explain it again?
I
just
know what
need
you're
one big
talking about,
breath
but I
through
don't
the straw.
understand on anything, mate.
Okay.
Your throat is... Why are you shaking? You know...
Commence.
You know...
Keep blowing. Harder.
Is that not enough?
It was just long enough. Yeah, it was.
Just long enough. Fuck. I don't drink. I don't do anything.
Okay. Well, that's fine.
Why are you shaking, mate? You know, you f***ed up. It's alright.
No.
No, it's alright. I forgive you. It's fine.
All right, mate. Pick up your rubbish. Move your car over in the car park if you want to sleep here. Not at the end here.
Was
You not see the
Is
yellow
this all
lines,
good
the
now?
yellow marking on the ground? You see the yellow markings on the ground?
No, I didn't notice it, to be honest.
Yeah, because
Okay.
people come up here and they can't turn around, then they got to back down there, and it ends up in an accident.
No, I would hate anybody to have an accident.
Yeah,
That's right.
well, that's fine. That's all you had to do the first time.
There you go.
That's not mine.
It is. Okay, it's from the other side. That's yours.
I can put
Grab
it in the bin, that's fine, but
There you go. It's yours.
I'll put it in the bin. Just put it all here and I'll jump out and put it in the bin.
Alright, cool. Where's the bin? And here's one. Excellent.
Thank you for watching. These clips aren't just about what happened, they're about what you should do when you're in similar situations. First, understand this clearly. Suspicion is not a crime. Sitting in your car, touching your phone, resting after a hike, or filming police activity does not automatically give officers the right to escalate an encounter. You are not required to provide identification unless there is lawful cause. You are not required to answer investigative questions beyond what the law requires. Silence is not resistance. Filming police in public is protected by the First Amendment. Recording is not interference. It is accountability. It protects you and it protects the truth. As long as you are not obstructing, you are within your rights to document what is happening. The Fourth Amendment protects you from unreasonable searches and seizures. Officers need lawful justification, not assumptions, irritation, or personal reactions. The key in situations like these is awareness. Know when you must comply and when you are free to decline. Ask clear questions. Don't argue emotions. Let the camera do the work. These encounters show why knowing your rights matter before you ever need them. Because when things escalate, the law and the video are often the only things that speak for you afterward. The original videos are linked in the description. Make sure to go through them. We'll see you in the next one.